Hello students, today we are discussing division of decimal numbers. We have to discuss three types of division. First of all, decimal by whole number, division of decimal by whole number. Second one, division of decimal by a decimal number. Third one, division of whole number by a decimal number. Okay, in this first case we have to consider. For that we have to take an example. For example, 0.25 divided by 5. In this case, we have to divide 0.25 using 5. For that, we have to write in this way. Then how many 5s are there in 0? No. Then put the 0 there. Then put the point. Then consider 2. How many 5s are there in 2? Not possible. So here also we put 0. Then you take 25. How many 5s are there in 25? 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Division over. Okay. So the second question, 14.49 divided by 7. In this case, we have to divide 14.49 divided by 7. How many 7s are there in 14? 2. Then 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Then 0. Next, after that, here the point. So put the point. Then take 4. Here, how many 7s are there in 4? No. So put the 0. Then consider 49. Okay, 49 you take. Then how many 7s are there in 49? Now we know that 7. 7 into 7 is equal to 49. Division over. Next we can consider division of decimal by a decimal. For that, first question, 0.5 divided by 0.25. In this we have to do in special way, that how count the number of decimals in the divisor. 2 decimal places are there. So we want avoiding this decimal number, we have to multiply the number having 2 zeros. That means 0.25 into 100. For avoiding the decimal number, we have to multiply the denominator by 100. Because here 2 places, so we want multiply using the number having 2 zeros. Similarly, you have to multiply numerator also by the same number. Then the numerator become 50.0. 50.0. Then the denominator will be 25. Then we can do it. How many 50 divided by 25? The answer is 2. When we think practically, how many quarters are there in half? Actually that question is that. Then we can understand that 2 quarters are there in a half. Next question, 7.75 divided by 0.25. Here you note one thing. Both numerator and denominator having the same number of decimal places. In this case, we have to just forget the decimal and write the number 775 by 25. The case is that only same number of places both in numerator and denominator. 2 places here, 2 places here. So just you will avoid the decimal and write then divide. So we can get the answer easily. 775 divided by 25. Then we can get it. How many 25s are there in 75? 3. 3 into 25 is 75. Then 2 balance 25. 1 into 25 is 25. So the answer is 31. Consider this question, 76.5 divided by 0.15. In this question, we have to think that 76 divided by 0.15. Here in the numerator 1 place and denominator 2 places. Here also we want multiply by the according the number of decimal places in the denominator divisor. That is 2 places are there. So we want multiply by 100. Both numerator also. Then we will get the question as 7650 by 15. Okay. Now the decimal place disappeared. So we can divide it. 76. Okay. Divide by 15. You will get answer. How many 15s are there in 76? We know that 5. 5 into 15 is 75. Then 1. Okay. 15. 1 into 15, 15. division over now the 0 you want to put here. So the answer is 510. Next we have to discuss the division of whole number by a decimal number. In that question, the question may be asked in this way: how 4 divided by 0.5? How many 0.5s are there in 4? We know the answer very easily. We will get the answer as 8. Then how we reach in 8? That is, we have to do it. 4 divided by 0.5. Here we have to avoid the decimal in the divisor. For that we want multiply by 10. Both numerator also using 10. Then the question will be 4 into 10 is 40. And 0.5 into 10 become 5. Okay. Then 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Consider the next question, 36 divided by 0.2. In this question also, no decimal place in the numerator dividend. But in divisor having one place. For that we have to write this question in this way, 36 divided by 0.2. 0.2 into 10 for avoiding this, into 10. Then the question becomes 360 divided by 2. Okay, now the question is 360 divided by 2, we can do it easily. 1 into 2, 2, 1, 16, 8, 8 into 2, 16. Division over, put the 0 to here. Okay, then the answer is 180. So we reach in a conclusion that if the same number of places both in numerator and denominator, we just avoid the decimal and write the question and divide it. If there are one decimal place in the divisor, you have to multiply by 10. If 2 places are there in the divisor, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator using 100. According the decimal places in the divisor, we have to multiply by the number having zeros, 10, 100 or 1000.